Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to you all. My name is Navid Khan. I'm a senior generative AI engineer and educator. I welcome you all to this course Practical RAG with Plain Python. So if you want to understand how RAG works in real life, and if you want to create smart, personalized AI apps using Plain Python, then this course is definitely for you. Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, is the backbone of modern AI application. It provides personalized knowledge base to your AI models so they can generate personalized answers. In this course, you will learn what is RAG and how it works, what is keyword-based searching, what is semantic-based searching, how semantic search finds the best results, how to convert text into vectors, and in the end, you will create an end-to-end RAG application using Plain Python. This is not just a course, it's a bundle of resources. Here you will get hands-on coding, recorded videos, quizzes, practice tasks, guided notes, and in the end, you will get one mini project. So I am very excited to help you all to build your first RAG application. So what you are waiting for? Go ahead and check out the first module.